Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to continue the project that we were working on for the car rental. And up till now, we were able to get the selected car and able to get the renter's information. Now we just have to create a summary page, and after that, we are going to create the records. Let's get started with creating the summary page first. For that, we'll have to preview to get all the necessary details in the OmniScript. We'll quickly fill all the details. The reason we are doing this is to get the updated data JSON, and we'll just pick the nodes that we need for the summary page. We have selected the car, clicking on next. Once we click on this, we get the selected car details from the IP that we created earlier. Let's fill these things as well. And all right, so now we have all the updated nodes. We'll copy this and open JSON blob, paste it here. Now for this, for the summary page, basically, we only need few things from here. We don't need all of these. First, we can remove it. We need booking date node. Apart from this, we need number of days, start date and end date. We don't need this whole thing, the choose cars. We already have the selected one, and the renter details. Yeah, so we only need these details to be there on the summary page. Now we'll add a step for the summary. And in here we can add display element. That is, from here we can select one. Let's add a text block, and in this text block we are going to put all of these details. So we can add first the booking dates. Let's design this. So booking dates, we can keep it as a title. And in here, start date and the end date. And we can use merge fields to show these details, show these dates basically. So for start date, we can directly put it like this in the merge field, add the name of the field. Let's not bold this. And for the end date, we can directly copy So now the summary is completed as well. We can have a preview of this. Let's select a car, click on next, fill the renter information. And click on next. You can see all of these details in here. Now, looks like there is some problem here because we only needed, the issue is only with this part because it is giving us everything, and this is because we directly gave these values, and there are other values available in the data JSON as well, if you see. So we have to be more specific in giving these nodes now. That is, we wanted just the selected car details node, and from there we wanted this. So we can correct this by using this key, and instead of directly giving these values, we can give the correct path, that is, and this can be done for all of the car related details. All right. Now we have configured this, but there's still a problem. If you see in the selected car details, we have it as an array, and we know that this is going to hold details for just one car. We can write this, but we can write it this way, but it will give you as an array object. Basically, it will be wrapped in array. We need to be more specific. But before doing that, let me preview once more. Now you see this is wrapped in array symbol. To just get details of one car, basically that is the first element of the array, we need to do one more thing. That is, we need to give the pipe symbol and 1. Save it, and this time we are going to get only the values and no extra symbols or no extra detail. You see, this is perfect now, although we might need to style it, and we can add custom styling as well in the element itself. So it allows you to give write your HTML as well. If you click on tool and source code, you can write HTML as well and make it look more beautiful. I already have saved HTML for this. I'll just paste it. I have pasted the code. It's just pretty basic code that we can get from this lighting design system. Your velocity also supports this because in Salesforce environment, these classes can be used. And if you're using the Newport theme, you can replace SLDS by NDS and it will support NDS. And if you want to support both, then you can keep these, and after giving space, copy the same, and instead of SLDS, give the NDS design system. So it will support both. Let's save it. Looks a lot better now. we can preview it. And now you can see it gives you the page summary. Once the user confirms that everything that he sees here is fine, he can click on next, and using an IP and data raptors will save all of these details and create record for the renter and for the rental car as well.